Hello guys and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to generate a QR code using Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva if you already have not. Once you have opened Canva, let's view at the menu bar, especially focusing on the creating a new design. Let's click on it and create a design. You can choose whichever you want. For now, I'm choosing this one, Instagram post square. Now that the new page has opened, on the left hand side, you will see something like apps. Simply click on it and search for QR code generator. Hit enter and you will find something like this. Simply click on it and hit an URL. Once you have entered the URL, click on Generate Code, and there you have it. A QR code has been generated in Canva. That's it for the video, guys. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.